Hello, YouTube!
Hello, YouTube!
Somebody goofed up Friday night, basically. Yeah, we had a double release, so when I discovered that error, I decided to put the car overheated video back into unlisted. Right now, I'm basically probably getting a message on somebody, technically on the video. Oh, they'll talk about the storm video. Good thing, because they didn't talk. I didn't want to get a comment on it on the car overheated video. Yeah, I actually released two videos Friday night, March 3rd, and I'm filming this on March 3rd. So, and I had a busy day today, so I'll explain why we had a busy day. And we discovered something went wrong with the car. So that explains the car overheated video that got released Friday night, which we released it manually ourselves last night. Hopefully it works out, because yeah, even we YouTubers can goof up. Okay, I was rewatching last night's video. Well, actually, when I was before, not when it actually went live, I keep a raw footage before I uploaded the entire video. Before I upload it to YouTube, I keep it on file for re-editing purposes. If I have to, you know, in case YouTube says, hey dummy, you gotta re-edit your video, you put something in there we don't want, get out of there. So that's why I keep videos like that as long as possible for re-editing. I can't keep a whole lot of files behind, but it's just, you have to take out a clip or two, something like that. Okay, if anybody watched that video, basically I was talking about if you did end up watching last night's video, and I just manually re-released because I goofed up Friday night, basically, you will notice a little wire, something similar to this, next to a fan belt cover and stuff like that. Well, that wire turned out to be the whole fan belt. Yeah. Yeah, that was the cause of the problem of the overheating, technically. That was a bad belt, basically. Hunk of junk belt. That would cause the overheating of the car. There's a bad belt. I mean, really bad.
That is why we need to do pre-trips also.
Yeah, Angie said a mouthful, yeah. And I think we'll go something like that in the future. But I'll show you on tomorrow's video the cover I was talking about. Because I was really busy with Bill today. He called and he finally came up. So we got busy and sidetracked in that. I didn't really have time to film this video until after I found out that I actually released a video. So I didn't really have a camera going at all. So yeah, we were working on this off camera, and I was going to talk about on camera, but like I said, I got sidetracked. Sorry about that. It does happen. Other stuff is more important than YouTube, basically, so that's what happened. And that. So we got a bad belt. We're going to get a new belt, and hopefully that will fix the problem. According to Bill, he's the family mechanic, he said that will fix the problem. Oh, I've never been so busy on Facebook Friday nights. Yeah, just saw I had to post some inconvenience apologies on that, so we want to apologize one more time, basically.
Yes, we do.
Yeah. Angie has to tell me that I gotta do a better job in scheduling the videos, because that's been a goof up lately on the channel. That's not good. He put a little radiator fluid and he noticed the one wire, so he pulled it, and that's why it came out. The belt. That's what caused overheating and that. So he's going to put a new belt in, hopefully on Saturday. Hopefully Saturday.
Yes.
Which would be for us tomorrow, for you guys a couple days ago. Oh, Angie wants to do an update.
Wait a minute.
We'll let her do it here real quick. She wants to do an update on her latch hook real quick. Oh, right there. That's how quick it is. That's how much you got more to do on that?
20 rows.
20 rows.
I will have it done, and then I have to do something else to it.
Okay, and we'll wait till it's officially done. Once he gets the latch hook done, we'll see it one more time, and basically we'll see the final product
Because
after.
I gotta pull all these. After I get it done, I gotta pull all the strings.
Okay, so whatever she does for latch hook, I don't do it. Okay. Alright, now we're going to end this little update video. It's basically what it is. I goofed, and this is what caused the problem, basically. So we goofed on Friday night's video, and we found a bad fan belt, basically. And that's it. So, Angie, you want to close out the show, or you want me to close it out tonight?
Doesn't matter.
How about if I close it out tonight? No, you close it out.
You close it out.
Okay, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hopefully, when we get the car back running, I got some ideas for vlogs, as long as we still have the car. Keep our fingers crossed. Bye.